And moving on to our next question, many students are worried about the visa process. What do you
Yeah.
think about the same? How difficult is it to get a visa for USMLE and for settling there?
Okay, so I would like to be frank over here. Like at this current situation, we all know that of the COVID situation, the Omicron situation, the present upcoming waves and all. So it is an issue at this moment. At the moment, getting a visa has been a task because, like, obviously, they have this rapidly increasing number of COVID cases. So they're actually the embassies are not entertaining any visa applications. So at this point of time, it's actually become a bit of a task, but still there is still a way that you can actually make use of it. Like if you don't get a visa, like visa is just for like during the matching, like when you get a residency spot you need a visa, but for doing clinical rotations you need a visa. That is when the issue arises. Like for doing clinical rotations you need a B1 visa to go over there and to do rotations. But that is where the issue arises. Like you won't be getting like it's difficult getting a appointment of a date for that B1 visa. So like what we are going for, that we are actually going for clinical rotations. That's what we need at this moment, like who have given step 1 or step 2 prior to the match. The what we can do is that make use of this time by giving tele rotations. There is a new thing called tele rotations. So what happens is that people, instead of going in person rotations, they can gain clinical experience by at the comfort of their home in front of a laptop. So basically we'll get clinical exposure from basically through virtual, like due to like the technology which we have. So the main point is that you also get a letter of recommendation after you do a tele rotation, and it will save you a lot of visa cost, travel expenses, everything. So like I said, for every problem there is a solution if you're willing to find a way out of it.
Okay, very well said.